Hey, welcome to our channel Review Panda. In this video we are going to review best coax compatible modems. If you're thinking to buy a best modem for your workplace or home, then watch the video completely. Let's get started. First device is best overall. NETGEAR CM1000. This NETGEAR modem is one of the first modems to support the new DOCSIS 3.1 technology. This means 32 downstream and 8 upstream channels, offering its users the fastest data transfer. It is an excellent choice for those wanting to upgrade from their older modems and is looking for high-speed and reliable modems. It features a polyhedron-shaped case with a black matte finish. The modem enables live video streaming and offers downloads at 1 gigabit per second and uploads at 950 megabits per second at its peak. Our second device is best RunnerUp, Motorola MB8600. The Motorola MB8600 modem incorporates DOCSIS 3.1 platform, which is blazing fast. This enables the user to take advantage of the best possible speeds available from their internet provider. In our lab tests, the device was able to download at 1 gigabit per second and upload at 950 megabits per second without any trouble. It uses a Broadcom chipset that has protection from distributed denial of service attacks built in, which is an added security feature. The setup time is very quick with the setup wizard, which guides you through the entire setup process. The MB8600 incorporates a full band capture digital tuner to enhance speed and save energy. The modem incorporates 4 ports that allow for the use of multiple IP addresses across 32 by 8 channels. The device provides very good sustained speeds without any lag or pause. Our third device is best for high-speed internet, ARRIS SURFboard SB8200. The SURFboard SB8200 is a DOCSIS 3.1 modem that is perfect for streaming Ultra HD 4K videos and also for high-end gaming on a laptop. It showed no latency and speed during extended testing and consistently offered 2 gigabits per second download and 1 gigabit per second upload speeds. The 2 gigabit Ethernet ports allow for the creation of 2 separate home networks. This means that a single network may be used privately when guests are present. This modem supports IP4 and IP6 Internet Protocol standards that make it great for a variety of applications. The SB8200 offers 32 downstream and 8 upstream channels for ease of connecting multiple devices at the same time without unnecessary queuing. The modem is powered by a Broadcom BCM3390 chipset and has 3 GB of RAM. Since the modem has 2 Ethernet ports, it is possible, after getting a second IP from the service provider, to connect a gaming console. Our fourth device is best modem/router combo, ASUS CM32. The ASUS CM32 AC2600 is one of the best coax-compatible modems on the list, best characterized by the high-speed DOCSIS 3.0 technology. Therefore, if you are reliant on services rendered by the Cox, Comcast Xfinity, or the Spectrum ISP, you can most certainly consider investing in this modem-router combo, precisely to ditch the yearly rentals. Coming to the technology, the DOCSIS 3.0 is still one of the faster standards around, bolstered further by the existence of the 32 by 8 channels. Courtesy of the maximum channels and the sought-after channel bonding technology, the modem is more than capable of reaching the highest possible speeds of up to 1.3 gigabits per second, provided the ISP permits the same. Other relevant modem-based attributes include the availability of 4 gig Ethernet ports, which allow you to maximize the attainable speeds for users seeking better and faster wired connections. The modem also makes room for 2 USB 2.0 ports. Our fifth device is best performance, ARRIS SURFboard SBG6900AC. The ARRIS SURFboard SBG6900AC also incorporates a Wi-Fi AC1900 router, which makes it a handy purchase. The modem is capable of delivering consistent internet speeds pegged at 686 megabits per second for download and 50 megabits per second for upload. It incorporates dual-band concurrent technology and 2-port gigabit Ethernet router. The Wi-Fi beamforming technology gives excellent Wi-Fi coverage and very good speeds when tested against benchmarks. The DOCSIS 3.0 modem router works with 16 by 4 channels without any lag or the need for buffering. The router is easy to install, but the package does not contain a coaxial cable, which is something that you need to keep in mind when purchasing.